Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to add the custom CSS on WordPress website. Today's most of the WordPress installed the modern editors. By using this, admin can easy to create the page layout design. If you would like to globally add the some style, then you can use the CSS to control this. So how can you add the custom style on your WordPress website? Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In my WordPress website, I would like to add the custom CSS for this font style color. This is white color. So this caption I need to change the red color by using custom CSS. So first we have to log in with your WordPress admin. Then you have to go to appearance. Then you have to click on the themes. Then you have to click on the customize button. It will be open the customize page. You have to scroll down. All of the themes has the option of additional custom CSS feature. You have to click on this. Here you can add the custom CSS for your website. So you have to add the custom CSS. I would like to change only color, so I have to add the red color. So we have to add the important. You have to override for this color. Then you have to click on publish. Now you have to go to pages, all pages, then go to home. You have to click on edit. So we are using the page layer editor, so I have to edit with page layer. Here I would like to change the color. So this color, this caption color, I would like to change red. So we have to select this, then click on the editor. Here you can check it out. This color code is white. We can directly add the color from red, but if you would like to globally add for the red color, you have to add the class. So we have to delete this, and we can add the class red. Then you have to click on update. Now we can check it out. The color has been changed as red color. Then you can click on update, and you have to go to refresh the page. Now the color has been changed to red color. So in this way you can add the custom CSS on your WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.